national trial attorney Michael Jaafar to see what he thinks about this case. Michael, I know you follow the Karen Read case very closely. You didn't have a lot of good things to say about this defense, but tell me just what you think about the possibility that there was an actual invoice between the expert that was so great for the defense and the Karen Read team.
Massive, massive. This is completely massive. I know full well, deep down in my heart, that Karen Read's story is made up. So this defense expert was the biggest point of the defense case. They only took the case for 2 days after, I think, 28 days of testimony for the state, I think roughly in that area, right? And I remember this defense expert coming on and saying, there's just no way that the injuries from getting hit by the car would cause him to die. And then on cross-examination, he changed his mind, said, I guess it is possible if he fell back and hit the curb. And the whole entire overlay of the entire testimony was that he was independent, and how big of a deal it was that he was independent. I still believe that their case, that the defense, did not perform on their promises of shocking us and amazing us. But I was a little bit stumped by the fact that an independent expert for the federal government was testifying for the defense, and now we know that he issued an invoice. Look, Julia, from where I come from, if you issue an invoice, you're not independent. I don't care what you say. I don't care what your title says. But also, this had a strong impact on the jury. What else would have had an impact on the jury, right? It was an independent expert by the government that came in and testified and said, I don't think that she would have died. John O'Keefe would have died from these injuries.